Okay, grade 4. In Read Aloud, you are having a new book, and that is The Matchbox Diary, written by Paul Fletchman. And in this diary, he is telling a story of a girl who visit his grandfather's house, and when she visited there, she saw matchboxes. And she came to know that when his grandfather was a child, he was not able to write and read. So, when he was not able to write and read, instead of that thing, he kept his memories in the matchboxes. As these books which we have read in this week and earlier also, few books are little longer, so I am sharing the picture of these books. Along with that, I am trying to make small videos also, so that you can see what is inside the book also. So let's see what she find in grandfather's house in the match boxes. The Matchbox Diary. So this is the room of his grandfather, and can you see the here text what he has written in the very first line? Pick whatever you like the most. I will tell you the story. There are so many things here. You will know when you see it, and then I'll know something about you. The great granddaughter I've only heard about. So, grandfather is saying, you can pick anything now. I will tell you about that. Why I have kept this. So, you like boxes just like me. You smoke cigars. No, me either. There is no scar in it anyway. What's inside? Not just one story, but lots. What's in these little boxes? My diary. What's in the little boxes? It's a diary. What's a diary? A way to remember what happens to you. Usually, it is a book people write in. When I was your age, I had a lot I wanted to remember, but I couldn't read or write. So I started this. Open the first one. Now, can you see? This is the box his grandfather has kept with him along with matchboxes. And in this boxes, he was keeping his memories. So this is the first memory, first box the girl has taken. What is it? An olive pit. This is the thing how he shared the memories with his great granddaughter. See, this is the another box. Who is this? My father. He went to America to work. He sent money home. Lots of Italian men did. I was a baby when he left. All I remembered about him was his masjid. Once he sent pictures so we wouldn't forget him. He remembered his father through pictures, because when he goes to America, he was sending money, but he never left from there. He was sending his pictures. See, here is the author. Now, this is the another one. Every day the boy wrote down what happened in a diary. Every year he got a new one. Red leather with a silk bookmark. I have no idea how to write, but I was wild to have my own diary. I want one too. That's my girl. Another story in the matchbox. You can read the text which I have shared with you through pictures, that what kind of things he kept in the box and why he kept. What kind of story is behind that box, which are his grandfather's Memories. We all are keeping the memories. Some are keeping in the mind and some are having the habit to write down the diary. But the only condition with his grandfather was that his grandfather was not able to read or write. So he kept those things which were memories for him in the match boxes. And with those match boxes, he tried to keep the things in his life as memories. Seeds, you can see there. Now another matchbox. Both are sitting looking for each other, and this one is empty and girl is asking how's that empty. These are the memories which he shared with the words and with the help of matchboxes. Every matchbox is having a story. You can see that in every matchbox there is something, either it is a piece of paper, seeds, or anything else. Each and everything is having a memory. Now here you can see a jewel over here, and this is the text for it. Instead of jewels, my mother and sisters had fish scales on their arms. Firstly, we see it, we found it as jewels. But if we read the text, we found it another thing. It is not a jewel. Another thing in the matchbox. That's my favorite box. My first baseball game. I didn't understand it. Why the men were running. But I was in heaven not to be working and to sit by my father. This is the memory of baseball game. Another memory he's having in the matchbox, trying to write something. This one is the memory where he's showing some kind of letters written on the metal. So, did you stop the matchbox diary? In a way, I never did. After 30 years of printing, I opened a bookshop. Books are like my newspaper. They show where you have been. Quite interesting story, quite interesting things you can see here in this book, that how he kept his memories in a box. And that are not ordinary box we are having with us. These are the match boxes. And he is having a proper box with him of match boxes in which he is having his proper memories, the things which he want to keep in his life. I hope you all will like this story. You will try to read this story through the pages I have shared with you, and you will also try to keep your memories like this. Thank you.